Hello, today we will guide you through how to forward emails from Outlook to Gmail. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you are signed into the account where you want to set up forwarding. This process uses Outlook's built-in mail rules, which lets you automatically send incoming messages to another email address, such as your Gmail account. Once Outlook is open, go to the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where you can manage how your mailbox behaves, including message handling and automation options. After the Settings panel appears, click on Mail to open the Mail-related preferences. From there, look for the Rules section and click on it. Rules are useful because they let Outlook automatically perform actions on incoming messages based on conditions you choose. To create a new forwarding rule, click Add New Rule. You'll now be asked to name the rule. Enter a simple name that helps you recognize what it does. For example, you might use a label like Gmail forwarding. Giving the rule a clear name makes it easier to manage later if you ever need to update or remove it. Next, click on Select a Condition. In the Condition menu, choose From, then enter the email address you want to use for this setup. After that, click on the condition area again and scroll down until you find Apply to All Messages. Select that option. This tells Outlook to use the rule broadly so that incoming emails can be included in the forwarding setup. After the condition is set, move to the next action field, sometimes shown as a second condition or action box. Click there and select Forward To. This is the key action that tells Outlook where the messages should be sent. Now enter your Gmail address in the forwarding field, then click Save. Once saved, Outlook will apply the rule according to the conditions and action you selected. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to send yourself a test email after saving the rule so you can confirm that forwarding is working correctly. Also, make sure the Gmail inbox you entered is accurate, since even a small typo can prevent messages from arriving. That's all it takes to set up email forwarding from Outlook to Gmail. With this rule in place, Outlook can automatically send messages to your Gmail account, helping you keep everything in one place and making it easier to stay organized.